Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. Okay, so to my old subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I use noble golden hair to make this afro wig. Okay guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive right into the video. So firstly, what I have here, I have one packet of noble golden hair. This is the hair I use guys. Okay, so I just bring some out of the packet and I cut it into two. Okay, yeah, so I just, because we don't want this to be long, so this is how it is after cutting the hair into two. So I have my crochet pin and I have my cap already on the manicure, because I first of all filmed the video. I mistakenly deleted, so it was too late for me. Okay, so what I basically do, I just turn the back of the cap to fill the edges first before ever starting the normal filling on the right side. Okay, so this is how I fill the edges. I'm going to show you, then after just go off camera to fill all around, because I don't want this video to be too long. So this is what I did guys. I just take it and I cross it just like so. Yeah, this is how I fill the edges round. Okay, this is what I did. So that's it. I'm still going to show you one more time. I just take a little piece of the hair like so, not too much because you don't want it to be too big. So you take your pin and you just do it like so and drag it in and open it and use the other hair to cross it. Very easy guys, it's so easy. Yeah, that is it guys. So guys, that is what I'm going to do round the cap. Okay, yes, so I'll be showing you after finishing it. So guys, this is after I finish rounding it with the hair. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be turning the cap on the right side like so guys. Remember I told you earlier that I turn it on the wrong side just to fill the edges. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on the right side right now and fill the normal place. Okay, I don't know if I'm explaining better, but guys, I'm sorry. This is how I can explain it because I mistakenly deleted the first video. Sorry guys. Okay, so after turning it, I will just go ahead and continue filling the cap with the hair. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Just cut a little pieces. You don't want it to be too big. Okay, don't cut it too big, if not the cap will not come out nicely. Okay, so just take a piece of it. You don't need too much, so you just start crocheting it like so guys. I'm going to show you, then after I will be going ahead and fill all the cap. Just drag it in and cross it like so guys. Very easy guys, very easy. So I'm going to show you one more time guys, and after I'll be going ahead and fill it quick. Okay, So this is how far I have filled this hair. You see guys, this is how far I've done it. I'm still going to be repeating the same step all around until I'm done with the filling of the cap. Okay, this is just the same process guys, nothing changes, just the same process. Just fill, take a little bit of the hair and just crocheting it on the cap, just like that guys, round and round and round until we are done with the cap. So I'm just going to be showing you how far I've gone. Okay, yeah, this is how far I've gone. I'm just a little bit fast on it. Okay, so it just remaining a tiny place just to fill, and after we are done with our wig. Very easy guys, this is very easy, and the hair is so light, very nice. In fact, I love this cap, I love this wig guys. So this is me after I finish the filling of the cap. So I'm just trying to do a maintenance here. Yes, so just watch me as I do the maintenance of the hair. Okay, so this is my moisturizer. It's a hair moisturizer, so I'm going to be using it. Just going to put a little bit of it, not too much, and just massage the wig just like the way I'm doing it. Just massage it and use my hand to, you know, just to give it a little touch. So, and after I'll be going ahead to trim it. I'm just going to remove the unwanted one. That is what I'm doing right away, and I'm trying to do a massage on the hair. Okay, so that is what I'm doing basically. So this is after I've done massaging and removing the unwanted one. This is the cap. This is how the inside looks. So I'm just going to show you, and this is the final look of the cap. Okay, yeah, that is it guys for this hair. This is just so amazing. I love this hair. It turns out beautiful. I love the color. I love everything about this afro wig guys. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.